Virgo, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Bad health is big business. I'm here to put them out of business. Head swelling, PTSD, stroke, anxiety, depression, mental illness, physical ailments are at an all-time high, plaguing us at the age of an all-time low. I'm here to heal that with my Fountain of Youth technique. But before that, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. This page has been a blessing to you. Virgo, your word of the day is listen to life. Life has so much to say. We do a lot of talking, but the best thing and one thing that's obvious that we have one mouth and two ears. It's time to exercise the two ears. Have you been seeing synchronicities? Deja vu. 111-222-333-444. Here's a secret of the universe that everyone does not know. As English is our language, Chinese, Korean, Spanish, the language of the universe is numbers, numerology. So that's how it's speaking to you. So I would do the research. And what is the universe trying to say to me? I'd pray and ask, what the universe, what are you trying to say to me? Once you see the numbers, what is that fresh moment or thought that's on your mind that coincides with what the universe is trying to say to you? I'm attentive to the world that is around me. There's a lot of shifts going on, and I know that you're in tune. You know it's a lot of change. You've been changing with it. Signs and symbols, guides me to success. Numerology, it's time to listen to the language, learn the language so you can understand what Spirit, Lord God, Spirit, Universe, Source, Strength, Jesus Christ is trying to say to you. Therefore, you can transcend and evolve to the next level. I listen to discover the way to the eternal. This world is more spiritual than physical. And once you master that, you are an all-powerful being. Love one another, be kind to one another, love yourself. I love you too.